best of engines, Virtual Console for Nintendo Wii U and 3DS is ripped. It is no more as of March 2023. So what do you do in this scenario now? Well, of course, you buy a pre-owned Wii U console and you unbox it. Completely a great idea. I'm sure we'll be able to get things before they shut it down. This is a fantastic plan. Let's do it. Now, bear in mind, this is pre-owned, obviously, especially off of eBay. There's no games included with this, so I have to do all that afterwards. Oh, I can't remember when it was originally. But all of that should be in there. Because the only thing it hasn't got is the HDMI cable, which we've got. Everyone's got loads of HDMI cables, and obviously the game. Yeah. Not bad condition considering. What was the year? A premium pack business in there. But that's fine, I'll just have to deal with it, won't he? Just be life. Let me just see if we can get the year on the bottom. 32GB edition as well, with it being the premium edition. Let's begin the unbox portion of the Wii U console. Again, pre-owned. You know, hopefully the new setup is decent today compared to some of the other ones we've had. Been able to upgrade things a little bit. Let's see my wonderful auntie. We'll do the best we can. Okay. So it comes in 2 trays. I think this is the original package and style in the day as well. It's a pretty good box. Top tray here. There we go. One tray. And the second tray here. As I said, not bad pre-owned condition, huh? You have a power unit. Look at the size of that brick. As a big time old school AC adapter unit. Almost as big as the original Xbox. Anyone remember the original Xbox one? There are meant to be some scratches according to the description, so let's see. Looks pretty good. Very shiny. They've been led to believe everything works. Oh, sync, some power button. I've never had one of these, by the way. Not back in the day. The Switch that I have was literally the first Nintendo console I had in like 25 years, I think it was, 23 years, 25 years, something like that. So we by now I've done quite a few unboxings, so you can see I've got quite a few section different hardware and stuff for us to play. This is not that scratched at all. There's some scratch there, but this is in really good condition. You can see the setup as well, guys. What do you think? You can see Fred and Baby Smurf there as well. You can see me. Actual controller pad thing. This must be the charging thing for it. So I'm guessing with the Wii U, this was kind of like the prototype for what would become the Nintendo Switch. With the Switch, they seem to have perfected it. And we have the sensor bar. I think this is mostly for Wii stuff. I have a nunchuck for that, so I'm not going to be using that, but we do have it, which is what comes with the premium edition. And this is... I guess that's for the gamepad? I don't even know. And then we have also these. I think it's for the console itself, so I can stand on it upright or downward or something. I have no idea. For a good price, I'd say. I'll pay a good price for it. 20 extra points if you get that reference. This is no good anymore. We're not going to get free gratis anything. I feel like Nintendo Network Premium, is that a thing anymore? I don't even know. Probably out of date. 5th of December, yeah, 5th of March. That's not English. That is caution. Be careful, guys. Quick start guide. We'll have a quick flip through. We'll try. A whole bunch of stuff there. Basic pack. What's included in that pack? This is the premium pack. If I can flip a page. There we go. And they've all been in excellent condition. I've managed to pretty much avoid them. And keep my averages up or just be patient. Which is the only way unless you want to get ripped off. You use the many voices of every character in Dying Light 1. That's got a store. think I'm skipping 1 or 2 pages. It's hard to do with the gloves, which is almost definitely probably not in use anymore. Oh no. Important information booklet. Let me ask you guys something. Do you Wii too, like a Wii U? Okay, yeah, ignore that. Don't answer that. Don't answer that in the comments. But because I've heard of people not liking the controller too much, I also got this in case. I like what we know as the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. This is the Pro controller for the Wii U. It's not an official one. But her reviews seem to be good on Amazon. They're not bought out and fake. Really show that one as well. Look at the condition of it. Hopefully it's good. Oh, it's a beefy thing, isn't it? Here we go. Yeah, it looks in pretty good condition. Could do a little bit of wipe on the sticks and stuff. Probably some finger boogas on there to clean out. It's pretty good. Pretty good condition. Yeah, man. As long as it all works, I'm a happy brah. Let's check the pen stylus thing is there. There it is. I was constantly not knowing where this thing was. So I wasn't sure which offers actually had it or not, and I could have just looked right there. But there's the stylus. And there's me dropping it because the expert power gloves are hard to hold things with. They also feel good actually, the sticks. I don't know how it would feel to play it like this with big controller. Power, TV, battery. Battery was apparently a pain as well. So there's a speaker there. I think there's motion stuff in this as well, isn't it? Mic there. One button, looks like a camera there as well. And I imagine the cradle thing goes there. Looks like there's some kind of thing you can put in there, screw in. I don't know what that's for. Maybe buttons underneath. Obviously. Speakers, volume. Yep, volume there. That's like some kind of infrared. And power adapter as well. And the sync thing there, sync button. Looks in pretty darn good condition to me. And the person looked after the stuff. I'm happy with it. About 5 minutes to peel that one off, and you can see the damage. I just lost about 2p in value on a resale on this. Okay, bonus unboxing content for the Watch Time Warriors, the loyal viewers. Hoping us gets that 4,000. How's watch time to level up the YouTube? Thank you very much, guys. Arigatou gozaimasu. We've got a manual here. I'm probably not going to be able to even open this up. It's like a PlayStation stock, isn't it? The USB in there, okay. Fair enough, let's have a look at the controller. The actual thing you came to look at. And this is a nice looking thing. I don't know how practical it is. It's very shiny. I wonder if the guy did a clean job right beforehand. Oh, it's got that plastic stuff on top of it. How dare they? Get that off. There we go, more shininess. Really matches the actual style of the console, doesn't it? Premium one. Oh, shiny. Everything's shiny. Select. Starter. Home. Power. D-pad. Buttons. Pretty light. There's another sync button there. It's a really thing on the Wii U, huh? 80 hours on a single charge. Wow. Feels very light though. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But that's probably a good thing, I'd say. Left of your screen. Now to buy Wii U, Wii, 3DS and Virtual Console games before it's March 31st, 2023, shut down by Nintendo and the Nintendo Apocalypse. On the right of your screen, did our pre-owned Wii U console actually work? Check out the setup process and the outcome video. Middle of the screen. This one's especially selected for you by YouTube's very own algorithm. It's up to you.